always the last one to get ready. So we are heading to Voi. We are using the SGR. We just got a cab from our house to the station. Tickets printed, so we are heading to get the train. I lost my ID about 2 years ago and I've never gotten a new one. So it was quite a hassle proving who I am, and I didn't carry my passport as well. But I used my NHIF card and that was okay. So we are on our way. The train is not as bad as people make it seem. Like, it's clean. We didn't mind. I didn't get the first class ticket. We're just in the normal couch, the economy one, and it's not bad. It's not bad, to be honest. It's clean. There's just a bit of noise because people are talking. Most people are in groups. Yeah, so I don't think there isn't much difference between the first class and the economy class, apart from the seating arrangement. Because here, this is supposed to seat 3. For the first class, is 2 on each row. We are already at our accommodation, and to be honest, I think this is the most beautiful and thought out Airbnb that I've been to. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to show you. Dan, do you agree that it's well thought out?
Yes, I'm feeling similar. The design is good.
Yeah, it's really good.
And yeah, there's not much of touch.
It's very artistic and yeah, well thought out. They even have air conditioning, like there somewhere there. Yes. We just got back to the Airbnb from getting dinner. Somebody on the train, one of the ladies that I met, recommended that we check out Nyotandogo's restaurant. And funnily, the moment we walked out, that was the first restaurant we spotted. So that's where we ate. The food was average. We had pilau because the other things in the menu weren't available because it's late. I think this is people sleep early here, so most of the things were not available. But the town looks nice. We'll explore more tomorrow, but I'm going to include a few clips of how the town looks at night. So that's it for today. There's nothing much. We just chill and sleep early. Catch up tomorrow. Yeah, smaller towns. Good. This is Aga Khan. Huh? Ile KRA offices. Menga. See how beautiful these things are and how well arranged. So I'm doing dishes. I'm waiting for Dan to finish working. Yeah, These are the dishes that we've used for breakfast. Let me just show you. And he is over there working. Yeah, so we'll finish that and finish this and wait for him to finish working. Then we'll go have lunch, and later we are planning to go to Voi Wildlife. Yeah, so if it doesn't rain, we'll go there. I'm distracted by a cat. It's a very beautiful cat. Let me show you. There is the cat. It's very cute, and there's so many cats here. I've seen about 4. Yeah. Stopped at one of the hotels that was recommended to us by our host. It's called Coastal Dishes, and this is what we are having. We are having mutton. After our lunch, we got a tuk-tuk to Voi Wildlife. It's not very far from Voi town. It's about 20 minutes tuk-tuk ride, and it was 400 shillings from Voi town, so it's not far. It was 400 for the both of us. I really like the weather here. It's humid and warm, and I just like it. So at Voi Wildlife, we did not pay any fees to access the lodge. You just need to go there and get a drink or food, and that's what exactly we did. The place is very good, beautiful. The services are amazing, and we didn't experience any racism. The guys treated us equally, like the residents, the whites, everybody was treated equally, and I loved the food there. So the best views are at the restaurant and the bar area. So the restaurant right now looks a bit deserted because it's still early. Most people come out later in the evening because that's the time also when most animals come to the watering hole. And just see how beautiful it is. Like, we walked in and there was an elephant and a baby elephant right at the watering hole. I really loved the experience here. This is I would do this over going to Tsavo because sometimes game drives are just draining. So we just sat here and we were watching animals come in and go. This was so much fun. I enjoyed every bit of it, and the animals come really, really close to the fence. Like, the watering hole is not far, so you can see the animals so well. And even later at night, they have floodlights, so you're still able to see the animals late in the night, which was something that I really enjoyed. If you know me, you know that I love this. I love doing this. I love game drives. I love watching wild animals. And Elephants are actually one of my favorites, so this was mind-blowing for me. I enjoyed every bit of it. Yeah, and it's not controlled, so they just come in whenever they want. So we got to the lodge. It's very beautiful. We've seen so many elephants that I showed you before. Oh, there's a hippo. Did you see it?
It's not a rock.
All along I thought it was a rock. That was scary.
Alikuwa amesimama alafu akaenda.
Simgeniambia, I swear out. What? That scared me. You look cute like that. What do you guys think? Is he cute like that? So I ordered a cider. Dan is having white cup. He wanted Heineken, not available, and we've gotten a snack, which is complimentary. Back in the water. I realized just how intelligent these animals are. So you can see the elephant is coming round the watering hole. It doesn't like drinking the water that's already accumulated there. So it walks round to exactly where the pipe is. Then now it snorts the water directly, freshly from the pipe. So this is not a natural watering hole. It's artificial. I think it was created by the lodge. So there's a pipe that's feeding in the small pond there. So as you see, it's coming straight to where that pipe is. I found that to be really intelligent for an animal. I found that to be intelligent. Like it knows exactly where that pipe is. We left the lodge back to our accommodation at around 9:30. So we met our host and he showed us another unit that he also has, and it is more beautiful than the one that we booked. So actually I'm thinking of going back there with maybe a group of friends, maybe just ladies, and booking this particular unit. It's very, very beautiful. If you're interested in that, please comment down below, and I'll get in touch so that we can arrange for that. It's really beautiful, and there's so many things we can do in Voi as just ladies. Imagine, just look at it. Actually, my photography did not do this unit justice. It's very, very beautiful. So we just got back, and I'm making tea now for Dan. Dan wants to have tea. Yeah, I think I'll make him not green tea because he wants to eat either biscuits or mandazis. So I'll pick one of the options from there. And I was just making fun of him that his appetite should match his bank account. And that was funny. Dear God, listen to my heart. I just want to be home, cooking and taking care of my family and content creation, please. Honestly, I really enjoy cooking and just being at home and serving people. I enjoy hosting, so I normally get baffled when other women are complaining about this. But I am glad that we're in a society right now where a woman can do whatever she wants. You can decide to go to work, you can decide to stay at home. I'm glad that we have that option and people are living their lives and doing whatever they want. But for me, I definitely want to stay at home and take care of my family because I enjoy doing it. So this was our breakfast. We were having eggs, mahamri, and I don't know how this goes. They're called viazi karai, but Nairobians call them bajia. More diving. Oh, it's a leisure pool. Baby. At the pizza garden, we ordered for pizza. The one that we had, I think, was barbecue and chicken. It was so good. Honestly, it was really good. And it was, I think, 1,300 because, 1,300 plus additional 150 for the extra toppings. And then we went back to the main lodge to just chill to the bar. We went back to the bar. After having our pizza, we went back to the bar. And then we just spent the rest of the afternoon there. At least there were so many people on this day. There were lots of tour companies that had brought in their people, so it was really fun. We stayed there for a long time, and it's so fun watching these elephants. Can you see the difference? One is there are the red elephants and the gray elephants. So the red ones, as you can see, the red ones, they get their coloring from, those are the red ones, they get their coloring from the clay, the sand, that's the clay that's there. They rub themselves on the clay. It helps them to keep warm. Not really to keep warm, I think it's to keep cold. Yeah, and also to protect them from mosquitoes and other bugs. And then later, I switched from beer to, I was just craving cake and hot chocolate, and that's what I got. The cakes were so soft and moist. I like moist cakes. I don't like cake that I feel naninyonga. I don't like it like that. So that's what we did, and that was the end of this day. I thought you got lost.
No, I was not there. I was waiting for.
Okay.
They're hot.
Thank you.
I think you love it.
You want to ban me?
I want you.
Today is our last day here. We are leaving today. And am I happy about it? Are you happy about leaving?
Fun.
Well, I miss our house anyway. I'm not Yeah, I miss home. I miss being home.
You miss home, you have to go.
Yeah, but I also like it here. But I miss home. Having breakfast out here, I think, has been the highlight of this trip for me, and also the elephants, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I pray this guy gets money and builds me something like this. Will you?
I'm on it.
This is breakfast.
It's a work in progress.
Yeah, it is. Is it better?
I think it's better. Yeah.
But you've noticed you always hurt anytime we travel.
No, it was in Mombasa, Lamu.
Lamu, you were hurt, and now you also
But-
have a bandage in your feet.
Because I went to play football that week of my travel.
No, it's just troublesome, and that's why you're always having injuries.
No, you're giving me some work so that I'll give you.
You did some job that hurts your knee.
Yeah.
I'm the one who should be having hurt knee.
Yeah,
It doesn't make sense you having hurt
You are
knee.
hurting your back.
You're silly. We passed by the local market, and I'm not sure if this is the main one, but this is what we found. And we bought some onions. We bought a few things, and the prices were way much affordable compared to Nairobi. And I always do this whenever I travel. Having lunch at the popular Nyotandogo's restaurant. We are having pilau. Dan is also having pilau. This is what I'm having. Let's see your food. Pilau as well. After grocery shopping and lunch, it was now time to come back to Nairobi. Our train was leaving at around 4:30 something. That was the only train that was available on that day, and our host was really gracious and allowed us to a late checkout. We checked out, I think, at around 1, and then we left our luggage at the apartment at their house and then went back for them later, which was really sweet of them. Yeah, I liked that about that house. Then we went to the station. We stayed there for a while. We bought some cute shoes. I will show you in a vlog when I wear them and remember to take a picture. I will insert it somewhere in my next video. So our train came and we came back to Nairobi smoothly. Guys, I have one request. Please subscribe to my channel. If you've watched this video up to this far, please subscribe to my channel and motivate me to be documenting our travels and our life more. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and I hope you enjoyed. And when you visit Voi, please tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. I will appreciate it.